you will see two scenarios on your screen. Okay, two situation. You have to read both the situation. It's purely in English now. Okay, a very simple thing. Read one at a time, and once you do your own reading, we'll do the discussion. So I'm going to give you a minute or two to read it out, both the sides. If you notice it in the first one, the summary for the first one is Ron came home, did his normal chores, and he went to sleep. In the second one, you will see that the summary would be the moment Ron got home, he was asleep, right? It was pretty rushed. There was no pause basically in the events or the action after the other. In the first one, if I were to tell you, ask you like, how do you say it in Hindi? Ron came home. Ron घर आया. Ron went to sleep. Ron soya. Yes. If you were to say it together, you would all of you probably will by this time say Ron घर आया or soya. The challenge is how do you say the second one? The moment Ron got home, he slept. He was asleep. How do you say that? And that's the topic for today. When there is a no pause or zero pause between the actions. The first one, we all know it because, we can split it out and we can sort of use the, conjunctions, right, to express it. Like मैंने खाना खाया, मैंने पानी पिया, फिर मैं खेलने गया, okay? फिर मैंने पानी पिया, फिर मैं दौड़ा. But how do you say the second one? The moment I came home, I went to bed. Okay. The moment I heard this thing, I yelled. Okay. Or the moment I observed it, I panicked. Yeah. How do you say that? So the idea here is whenever you have a notion of the moment or as soon as or instantly, you use in Hindi basically the concept of te hi. Okay. So this is te hi. You must have seen it he when we want to give emphasis, right, for a particular thing. So whether it is on a subject or verb, we have seen he before, but you will hear this the concept again and again tehi. So whenever you have the verb and you take there are two verbs basically, verb one, verb two. So let's say dekhna, okay, uh chillana. So what you do is you take the base stem of the verb here, dekh. You remove the na and you're left with the base stem. But in this case, the moment you saw something, you scream. Okay? You will put tehi in between. Take tehi. And the moment Ron came home, it will become घर आते ही. Okay? घर आते ही सो गया. The moment first thing happened, the second thing was already happening. So again, you take the base stem of the verb and you put tehi. So let's do some more practice on it. So you have this thing called pahuchna. Pahuchna is to arrive. You take pahuch, the base stem, and you put pahuchtehi. Pahuchtehi. Okay. Two things were happening pretty fast. There was zero pause between them. So in case if anybody had difficulty, it's basically sunte hi, dekhte hi, आते ही, जाते ही, खाते ही, उठते ही, बजते ही, okay, होते ही, रोते ही. He came home and slept. वो घर आया और सो गया और सोया. She heard the news and cried. उसने खबर सुनी और रो पड़ी. बारिश हुई और सब भाग गए. अलार्म बजा और वो उठ गया. This is without taking, that means there is a lot of pause in between. Like rewrite these basically to give the notion of the moment he came home, he slept, or the moment she heard the news, she cried, or the moment it rained, everybody ran. So you will just say, वो घर आते ही सो गया. सो वो घर आते ही सो गया. एज सुन एज ही केम होम ही स्लेप्ट. वो घर आते ही सो गई. ओके, खबर सुनते ही वो रो पड़ी, और यू कैन से वो खबर सुनते ही रो पड़ी. उसने खबर सुनी, वो रोई. खबर सुनते ही वो रो पड़ी. बारिश होते ही सब भाग गए. ओके, अलार्म बजते ही वो उठ गया. द सेकंड विल रिमेन एज इज. Look at the references. But let's say, for the sake of example, we take a different situation. We take a different subject. Let's say Ron and let's say Ria. Okay. So whenever you have two different subjects, one is doing an action, and as soon as that is done, something is done by other person. The only difference that you have is basically after the subject, you will put K. Ron K, and I'm gonna just make it up. Ron K bolte hi. The moment, because earlier it was not two different subjects, gar aate hi. But because there are two subjects, you will Ron K bolte hi, Riya has padi. The second part remain as is. The only difference would be the K, the introduction of K after subject number one. मेरे बोलते ही वो रो पड़ा. There are some nuances, but it will work for, we can quickly go over it as well, but it will work for all the situations. जैसे ही वो घर आया, you know, if you were to go back, yes, it will work. जैसे ही वो घर आया, वो सो गया. जैसे ही उसने खबर सुनी, वो रोने लगी. जैसे ही बारिश हुई, सब भागे. जैसे ही अलार्म बजा, वो उठ गया. Yes, you can use that and it will work equally well. If you're using जैसे ही, totally different grammar concept basically. You will not put the K there. Read it out. मैंने उठते ही फोन देखा. In the past tense. As soon as I got up, I saw the phone. और future, मैं उठते ही फोन देखूंगा और न्यूज देखूंगा और मैच देखूंगा. It's better that you spend, each of you spend time on your own on this.